Hello, if you're looking for a perfect place to chill out with your loved ones, come and visit Mantanas Farm and Resort located at Santa Cruz, Ilocos Sur. Ang ganda po ng ambience dito. It was a great place to unwind and beat the summer heat. Last month, we visited Mantanas Farm and Resort to celebrate Zion's second birthday, and it was relaxing. May mga different kind of cottages na pwede mong pagpipilian dito. Tapos may overnight offer din sila kung gusto mong mag-overnight. Makaka-relax ka dito kasi yung ambience niya ang ganda. And sa entrance may mga dinosaurs na statues. Meron din yung mga superheroes. Tapos dito sa loob ang ganda po ng ambience. Yan. Yan po yung mga cottages na offer. May mga kubo. Meron din po yung mga concrete. Tapos ito po yung mini waterfalls nila. This is an adult pool. Maganda po talaga dito sa Mantanas. Kaya if you are planning to have a swimming, you can visit Mantanas, and I assure you it was good and relaxing. Kaya bisitahin nyo itong Mantanas Farm and Resort.
Look at tita, look at tita. Ilas na! Angel, nakalimot yun.
Wow! Wow!
Wala! Naka-umit ka na. Grass ka na, grass pie.
Dance! Dance, Zion! Dance, ah! Oh. Bye. Thank you for watching. Please like and share.